everyone, Master Kwasha here. Today we're gonna talk about the levels of souls, the kinds of souls that are on this planet and this earth. And earth was created to purify so many souls, to purify the souls of the beings that are here, because these are a representation of different planetary systems that are here. They are prisoners and exiles because they're very rebellious. So Earth was created like that. It's kind of like when Australia was created, the exile from the England, they brought it to Australia. So Earth is kind of in a way like that. So a lot of the souls are here are still very young. Some of the souls are very advanced. So we have advanced souls, we have young souls, and we have a lot of criminal souls because it's an exile. And so advanced souls came to Earth, volunteered themselves to bring more light, to bring more consciousness into this world, to awaken the soul, because God did not forget that He's also part of God, you know. So everything has a purpose. So this advanced soul that are volunteering to assist the planetary consciousness, they bring themselves here to help and to save the souls from deteriorating even more. And because if they are not evolving, they're gonna end up in the lower world, or they're gonna end up being a creatures because their human potential or their human experience are not evolved yet. So God sent a lot of advanced beings to save a lot of the souls in this planet Earth. So some of them are just come from the animal kingdom, so some from the ants or other creatures. And so there are so many beings here that has a lot of animalistic in nature. So their different chakras are not fully evolved, so they're so focused on the lower aspect of the chakra, which is the root, the svadhisthana, and the solar plexus. These are the chakra that are very prominent on this earth. Now, as a human being, we start to evolve. We open up the heart chakra, which is the heart, the emotion of our existence. This is what human is learning here, to learn to love. And so as we evolve more, we learn to love more. The consciousness expanded as well. As we open more of the astral subtle energy in our centers, we learn more how to love deeper. So it's such an honor to serve you. Mahalo.